Okay, good day guys, welcome back to this channel. So actually you can take a look at this our gold for the week. We want to predict where this gold will be moving for this week. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So take a look at this movement on our gold, right? If you're following consistently, you would have seen how we've predicted this gold movements, which we are actually making a bullish move, right? So as at now, and if you take a look at it, when it was on Monday and Tuesday, we kind of had like a bullish move, right? And now we're having a pullback. So after this pullback has been made, we will continue our bullish move on our gold. So that is exactly what I want you to know. So a pullback is occurring. So once the pullback is over, then we will be expecting a bullish move on this gold. So is this pullback over? But I don't think so. To be able to know this pullback, if it is this pullback is over, I want us to actually check this retracement tool. So we will start from this bottom here, which is our retracement to know if this retracement is over. So we take it from this top. You can see that this retracement has dropped to 23.6%, right? I believe it will actually drop to 38.2. Notice that this you can have a bullish move from here. So there's no doubt you can have a bullish move from 23.6 at this Fibonacci retracement. There's every possibility we can have it down to 38. The reason why I said 38 is that one, it is a key level. Secondly, price has reacted at that level previously. You can see that price has once reacted here, right? We saw it came again, react to this level. We saw it again, reacted at this level. Now, if you drag it down, you will see that there's strong possibility or probability that price will definitely drop to react at this same level. So before we go bullish, right? Now you will see that the reason why I say that is that we want to know how this price will be moving this week and why I'll be taking such trade, right? So in order to be able to do that, I want us to actually start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. A quick analysis from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame, so we would understand this trend properly and why we'll be taking such trade. So if you take a look at this gold on the monthly time frame, if you have to zoom it out, you see that this price is kind of ranging. Let me take away this, right? You can see that price has once come to this level here. Once price came to this level and it gave us a pullback, then price broke out of this level and went up. So this is one of the reasons why we are going to alight this level, right? You saw after the price actually went up, you saw it gave us a pullback to test the same level again. One, you saw price reacted at this level, right? We saw price went up again and again it's dropped to this same level. We saw it reacting at this level again. Then we kind of see price kind of now went up and broke below this level. Now it has corrected itself by pushing up. So if you notice that this gold is now on a bullish move, so on the long run, in the long run, right, we want to see this gold actually kind of take a level of 1883. So I believe by the time this month end or by next month, this time next month, we should be able to hit a level of 1883. So above all, the gold is still, we are kind of having like, kind of like a bullish move. We can consider this as a false breakout if you want. Once price comes to this level, we saw it bounce up. We saw it came to the same level. We saw it bounce up. We also saw price reacted at this level, right? So right now we can kind of like consider it as like a false breakout. So price would want to continue to push up. So monthly time frame, we want to go long. And I will include this moving average to actually guide us, which we will be using 10 period moving average. So we all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once price is above it, then we are on a bullish move. So we clearly can see that this price is above the moving average. It was above the moving average. So that is why we went long. Right now, we saw this price kind of, shaking around, not being stable, right? And you can see it's broke below this moving average. If we're following consistently, we can see how we predicted this move and we actually short this. So now that this price is giving us a pullback to test this moving average. So if you want to go long on the monthly time frame, you can possibly wait for it to break above the 10 period moving average. Maybe then you can now go long on the gold. That is it on the monthly time frame. So down to the weekly time frame. So we clearly can see that this price has actually dropped. If you take a look at this movement from here on this gold, we know that this is a bearish move, right? So we can consider this as a lows, this as a pullback on our gold. This will be the low, right? Here comes the pullback, and again we have the lows here that broke this previous lows, and here comes the pullback. Now is the lows. We saw this lows broke this previous lows, and guess what? I know those most of you must have been aiming for a pullback, but if you notice that price actually failed to break this level, right, multiple times, we kind of had like a pullback here, then price drop, right? It failed to break this lows, previous lower lows. The price went up a little bit again, and price dropped again three times. It's actually failed to break this level. So that is an indication that price is actually failing to go down, right? The price started moving up, and guess what? It broke our moving average. So this is an indication that we are now on a bullish move. So the next level we would want to see this price get to is that it is a level price has reacted to multiple times. If you notice that if price has reacted to a level previously and it reacts especially multiple times, and price is close to that level, definitely price will get to that level and also react at that level. So this is it here. You saw that price has once reacted here, right? Previously, you saw it came here again, react at this level. So we want to see it come here. So it should not even be a surprise that we are kind of having like a red movement, right? So you kind of see that price was close to this level. You kind of see like a drop, right? I want you to have it in mind that this price will actually push up again, right? But before it actually push up, right? Wait, give me 8 minutes. Before we kind of price to come up to tap this level, right? We want to see a pullback, right? So and this pullback we should be expecting it here. This is one of the reasons why I previously said that gold should actually drop a little bit, right? To that 38, 38 point something percentage drop should be made, right, before we continue our bullish move. So let's see this week gold drops a little bit, right? Once it drop a little bit as a pullback, then we will be expecting a bullish move. So you can take a look at this gold like this as an impulse move here. Here would be the correction because it failed to break these lows, previous lows, and we can take this as another impulse move, right? You will take this as a new impulse move. Guess what? After the new impulse move, you should be expecting a correction. So is a correction over? I don't think so. So a correction, a little bit of withdrawal should be made. Then we will continue our bullish move again, possibly break, come to tap this level. If it does not break above it, then we should be able to take out this level. So I will be watching out for a level of 1,800. That is 1800. So we are currently trading at 1750. We should be able to see a little bit of a drop on our gold before we continue our bullish move to a level of 1800. So notice that the price is above our moving average. That should take us to the daily time frame. So it should not be a surprise that we kind of see this as an impulse move, a little bit of a correction, kind of like an impulse move. Here comes the correction, right? Here is the impulse move, and now we are having a correction. So let's see this correction drop further down. Once the correction drops further down, then we would continue our bullish move. So I would be watching out for this level because price has reacted here, once reacted here, once reacted here. So I would want price to actually come to test this level and react because price has once reacted here. So let's see if price will drop further down on gold before we continue our bullish move. So that is it, daily time frame. A pullback should be made first before we continue the bullish move. And to actually place this trade, right, we want to see what this 4 hour time frame says, right? So this 4 hour time frame is now on a bearish move. Reason is that we are on a pullback level, which is bearish, right? So of course, on the 4 hour time frame, we should actually see a bearish movement, and we can see the price is below the moving average. So let's see if we continue to go down a little bit before price kind of push on. So let's see if price will actually come to test this level, and if price does not drop to test this level as we are all predicting or trying to forecast, then we should be able to see a rejection at this level here. So level 1, so it is at that price react at this level and give us a bullish move for this week, but it drops further down to hit this level before we kind of go bullish. So this is what I want you guys to see on the daily time frame. Let's see the pullback. We will start this pullback from here. You can see that this pullback is at a level of 23.6, right? So there's strong possibility it will actually push up there, right? So it will not be taken away. Just have it in mind that this gold can open, the market opens and it will start giving us a bullish move. So do not be surprised, guys, once it starts giving us a bullish move. But there's every possibility it can drop further down. I think it will actually drop further down. But if it does not, then we should actually go bullish, right? So I will be doing analysis on DXY. You can check it out, right? This DXY and gold kind of have like a correlation pair. Once there's a drop on DXY, then we tend to see a bullish move on gold. But once there's a bullish move on DXY, then we will see a drop on this our gold. So we can take a look at this DXY, right? We would want to see a little bit of a bullish move, right? then we would start having that bearish move. So as we will be having this bearish move on USD index, which is the DXY, then be expecting a bullish move on our gold. So by this time, this DXY will be giving us a little bit of a bullish move. I would be expecting a little bit of a drop on the gold, right? Just a little bit of a drop. Then we would continue our bullish move for the week on this our gold.